हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू मीनाक्षीज बायो अकेडमी। सो मैं हूं मीनाक्षी राजपूत और आज मैं आपको करवाने वाली हूं CUCT 2019 के क्वेश्चंस, राइट। PGQP 22 के क्वेश्चंस हम करेंगे। अगर आप लोग को वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिएगा एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकन। एंड ऑल्सो आप लोग अगर मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना चाहते हैं तो दिस इज़ माई यूज़र नेम, एंड जो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल है जिसमें मैं नोट्स वगैरह अपलोड करती हूँ तो वो भी अगर वहाँ पे आप सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हो तो दिस इज द यूजर नेम। ओके, एंड दोनों का ही लिंक जो है आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस। Okay, so first question is the smallest virus replicating autonomously in eukaryotic cell is so herpes, rabies, mimivirus and Kirko-virus, right? So your Kirko-virus is the smallest virus which can replicate autonomously in the eukaryotic cell. Its diameter is somewhere around 25 nanometer and its genome is 2000 nucleotide long. Next question is infectious RNA particles without the protein coat is called. So infectious RNA particle without the protein coat, right? So they are your viroids. Viroids are the RNA particle that do not have the protein coat and they're infectious. And similarly, the infectious proteins, right? So they are your prions, right? Prions are the infectious proteins. Okay. Next is name the first organic acid produced by microbial fermentation. Microbial fermentation से first जो organic acid बना था that is your lactic acid. Okay. Next, Anabena, a nitrogen N2 is present in the root pockets of. So Anabena जो होता है it present in the root pocket of the azole, right? In association with the azole. All right. नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन करते हैं. द एबिलिटी ऑफ द बैक्टीरिया टू चेंज देयर मॉर्फोलॉजिकल फॉर्म फ्रीक्वेंटली इज कॉल्ड, राइट. सो जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जो कि अपनी शेप को चेंज करके रखते हैं, राइट. तो मॉर्फोलॉजी, मॉर्फिज्म, राइट. एंड प्लियो मीन्स आपका यहाँ पे डिफरेंट, राइट. आप चेंज कर सकते हो उसको. तो प्लियोमॉर्फिक, प्लियोमॉर्फिज्म इज योर bacteria that can change their morphological forms frequently. Bacterial cell wall is made up of the peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is thick in the gram positive and it is thin in gram negative bacteria. Next question is which of the following is called as brewer's yeast? So brewer's yeast जो है that is your Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay. Next is agar. Agar is obtained from. So agar is obtained from the Gelidium or it also obtained from the Gracilaria. Conducting tissues in moss is made up of. Conductive tissues in mosses are made up of the xylem and phloem only. Circinate vernation is found in. Vernation is the formation of the new leaves and the fronds. तो फर्न्स के अंदर जिस मैनर में, जिस तरीके से आपके जो फ्रॉन्ट्स इमर्ज होते हैं, बनते हैं, निकलते हैं, उनका जो उसको हम बोलते हैं सिर्सिनेट वर्नेशन, राइट. so that is your fern. Okay, phloem of gymnosperms differs from the angiosperm. phloem की इसने बात करी है तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं phloem की बात करूँ so they do not have the sieve tubes. Okay, next is plant which flowers only once in its life is called. They are the monocarpic. पूरी लाइफ में एक ही बार जो फ्लावर करते हैं दैट आर मोनोकार्पिक प्लांट्स. ओके, पॉलीकार्पिक जो कि मल्टीपल टाइम्स कर सकते हैं थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. ओके, सो द एडिबल पोर्शन ऑफ द मैंगो, मैंगो का एडिबल पोर्शन जो होता है दैट इज द मीजोकार्प, राइट. जो हम पल्प उसका खाते हैं दैट इज द मीजोकार्प. जो उसके अंदर गुठली होती है दैट इज द एंडोकार्प एंड जो उसके ऊपर जो छिलका होता है दैट इज द एपिकार्प. Okay, similarly, the edible portion of the coconut is the endosperm, right? Endosperm is the edible portion of the coconut. Okay, after fertilization, the seed coat seed coat किससे develop होती है? Seed coat develops from the integuments. Okay, next is pollination which occur in a closed flower is called as. If the pollination is occurring in a closed flower then this phenomenon is known as cleistogamy. Okay, Next is major transport of nitrogen in xylem sap is in the form of, it is in the form of the dissolved ammonia. Okay, a typical example, or even in the ammonia and even in the nitrates and amino acids also. Alright, so a typical example of self-pollination is, so self-pollination is majorly seen in the wheat and also it is seen in the rice, right? So according to me, both the answers are correct. Next is pollination by bats is called, so pollination by bats is called as chiropterophily. Okay. Next is an embryo sometimes may develop from the cell of an embryo sac other than the egg. Now this is known as, now an embryo sometimes develop from the cell of an embryo sac other than the egg, right? Embryo sac के egg के अलावा किसी और cell से जब embryo develop होता है, so that phenomena is known as apogamy. Right. And what is the parthenocarpy? That without the fertilization, ovules develop into a fruit. And what is the apospory? Apospory is the formation of the 2N gametophyte from the vegetative or the non-reproductive cells of the sporophyte. So this is known as apospory. Okay. Next is vessels are present in all plants except the pinaces. Vessels are present in all of these plants. Pearls of commercial value are produced by which of the following genera? जो pearls होते हैं, they are produced by the Pinactada, right? Of the commercial value, जो कि commercially important है, जो कि commercially ज़्यादा जिनकी value है, जो ज़्यादा बिकते हैं. Which of the following is called as blood fluke of men? Okay, so it is blood fluke of men is your cystoma, right? It is cystoma that is the blood fluke of men. Next is the first body segment of the earthworm is, it is peristomium. Okay, the lung books are respiratory organs of, so we can call them book lungs, right? Book lungs, these are the respiratory organs of some arthropods and arachnids, right? Like scorpions, right? Like scorpions and spiders, right? So here the answer will be arachnids. Okay, next is Aristotle's lantern is the characteristic feature of Aristotle lantern. So they are the sea urchins. Ink glands are present in, so ink glands are present in the sepia. They are the characteristic feature of the sepia. The mouth part of honeybee used to mold wax and adhere the pollen are the labrum. Labrum is the mouth part which adhere the pollen and also mold the wax. Right. So the mode of nutrition in Ascaris, वैसे तो Ascaris जो होता है it's a parasite, बट जैसे ही ये इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर गया तो इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर जाने के बाद ये क्या करता है, उसके सराउंडिंग में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उसको वहां से उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को ये एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, राइट? सो इट हैव द सेप्रोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. कोलेजन इज द टाइप ऑफ फाइब्रस प्रोटीन, राइट? ट्रिपल हेलिकल इसका स्ट्रक्चर होगा. अमंग द फॉलोइंग हार्वेसियन कैनाल अकर्स इन, सो हार्वेसियन कैनाल जो होती है वो ऑस्टियोसाइट्स जो होते हैं उनके बीच में कम्युनिकेशन के लिए प्रेजेंट होती है इन योर कॉर्टिकल बोन एंड इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द ह्यूमरस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इफ pancreas is removed, which food part will get affected? So all of the food part, protein, carbohydrate and lipids digestion will be affected. Next is RNA is the genetic material in, RNA is the genetic material in some viruses only. Okay, so the lifespan of the RBC is just 120 days. Next is open vascular system is found in some arthropods and some mollusks. So here the answer would be prawns, right? So open vascular system is present in prawns. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous waste in, so uric acid जो होता है it's a chief nitrogenous waste in birds, right? Because it need the lesser water, है ना? तो इसीलिए. And अगर हम fishes की बात करेंगे so in fishes it is ammonia. Okay, which part is the most stable form of DNA under normal physiological condition? So under the normal physiological condition, we can say that the B form of the DNA, but here it is not mentioned, but the B form of the DNA is the most stable one. Okay, the process of synthesis of glucose from fat, right? तो हम अदर सोर्स से हम ग्लूकोज की फॉर्मेशन करें, सो दिस प्रोसेस विल बी ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस. Now beta oxidation of fat it takes place in the mitochondria. The first protein sequenced by the Frederick Sanger was insulin. Insulin is the first protein that is sequenced by the Frederick Sanger. Secretory proteins are synthesized by secretory proteins जो होते हैं वो जो ribosomes that are attached to the ER, right? वो इसको synthesis करते हैं. तो ribosome in the ER or on the ER, you can say that they synthesize the secretory protein. Okay, so cobalt containing vitamin is the vitamin B12. All right, next is the technique for the amplification of the DNA is called, for the amplification of the DNA we use the PCR polymerase chain reaction. Next is for the protein detection, most commonly used probe is protein के detection के लिए we mostly use the antibody that is specific for that protein. Post-translational modifications of protein are detected by, we can detect the post-translational mutation like phosphorylation, methylation, acetylation. These are the post-translational modifications that can be studied using the Eastern blotting. Western blotting में हमको specific protein detect करना है तो वो करते हैं. Southern blotting में हमको specific DNA detect करना है तो वो करते हैं. Northern blotting से हम specific mRNA को detect करते हैं. Okay. Next is in cytoplasm, synthesis of protein at ribosome is called as translation, right? Transcription मतलब DNA से आपका RNA बनना, replication मतलब DNA का replication होना. Okay. Thermus, I think there is some spelling mistake. It is Thermus aquaticus is the source of the Taq polymerase. Okay. Next is the first step of the PCR is the denaturation, then annealing of the primer, then third is the extension of the primer. These are the three main steps of PCR. Okay. Next is reverse transcriptase PCR uses. Reverse transcriptase PCR, उसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमारे पास mRNA होता है, mRNA से हम क्या बनाते हैं, cDNA बनाते हैं, right? mRNA as a template to form cDNA. All right, so this will be the answer. In electrophoresis, DNA would migrate towards. So DNA के ऊपर क्या है, sugar phosphate backbone है, which means negative charge है. Negative charge है मतलब कि move करेगा positively charged electrode की तरफ under the influence of electric field, right? तो यहाँ पे आपकी क्या हो जाएगी, आप बोल सकते हो that यहाँ पे आपकी जो एनोड होती है, एनोड is the your positive electrode, right? इज योर पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड. तो एनोड की तरफ जो होता है आपका डीएनए मूव करता है, बट यहाँ पे कोई भी करेक्ट आंसर नहीं है, सो आंसर विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव. अगर आप लोग को वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो आप जरूर वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे एंड मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. ओके, एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस प्लीज आप बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, जिससे कि मेरी वीडियोस आती रहेंगी तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा. एंड अगर आप मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना चाहते तो दिस इज माई यूजर नेम, एंड टेलीग्राम पे करना चाहते तो दिस इज माई यूजर नेम. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.